This methodology can provide real-time, objective, continuous, and ecologically valid data for researchers engaged in longitudinal health studies and clinical trials. The advantages of this approach are that while it requires little to no effort on the part of the research participants, it enables the capture of acute data as well as subtly changing events over time. It is adaptable for multiple use cases.
This methodology has been substantially deployed to assess outcomes most related to functional changes important for research in high-impact chronic conditions such as disorders of mobility or dementia.
The protocol is intended to be extensible in application of research to collect digital activity and health data across many different research domains.
Prior to deployment, add all equipment to the console inventory system online. Assign a name to each device or sensor along with its serial number and MAC address, allowing it to be stored within the console inventory system. Place a QR or quick response code tag on each piece of equipment, enabling specific assignments of home location for the sensors and devices when deployed in the home. Before deployment, all sensors and devices that are to be installed will be assigned to the home by scanning the QR code on the sensor or device. This will bring up a website that allows sensor or device assignment to that specific home. Install the hub computer with an SD card, which contains the hub configuration management tool.